मीडिया में सभी का स्वागत है। द टोपाज इवेंट प्रेजेंट मिस एंड मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन का आयोजन डॉक्टर नीलम पराडिया जी ने किया था। महिलाओं को प्रेरणा देने के लिए इन्होंने ये इस प्रोग्राम का आयोजन किया था।
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सौंदर्य प्रतियोगिता मिस एंड मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन 2024 सीजन 4 और रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन अचीवर अवार्ड का आयोजन 3 और 4 अगस्त को क्लब एमरल्ड मुंबई भारत में किया गया था। द टोपाज इवेंट प्रेजेंट मिस एंड मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन 2024 सीजन में डॉक्टर वीना इंडिया, सब टाइटल टाइमलेस ब्यूटी, विनर टाइटल मिस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन प्लैटिनम विनर 2024 यह किताब जीते।
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome here at Miss and Mrs. Royal Global Queen Season 4. And here with us, we have a lovely contestant, Dr. Veena, with us. I would like to ask you that what made you decide to enter this beautiful pageant?
Actually, being a doctor, I always wanted to explore something in other field. And I'm into beauty and fitness always. I thought beauty pageant will be the best one to do something different from my profession. And it's of my interest.
Lovely, but you are absolutely beautiful and you have this glorious smile as well. With this, CM News India would like to know that since you've already, as you mentioned, that you've entered this pageant, what has been the reason for you to, what's motivated you to enter this pageant?
Actually, in life, I believe a success is 3 Ds, that is dedication, discipline, and determination. At the same time, I want to tell 3 doctors are very important in my life to enter into this pageant. They are Dr. Neelam Faradia, Dr. Kanti, and Dr. Jyoti. Dr. Jyoti motivated me to register. Dr. Kanti introduced me to Dr. Neelam, and Dr. Neelam, she's so humble. She took almost 1 hour to make me feel, yes, I can do it. I was in depression on that day. She spoke to me almost 1 hour and made me feel, okay, chalo, I had already registered. But after talking to her, just I went the next day morning and I did the phase also. I'm very thankful to her. And today I'm here only because of her. Thank you, thanks a lot, Neela.
Thank you. I absolutely second that. She's always building confidence in each one of them and making them as a family. And Dr. Veena, we're absolutely pleased and obliged to have you here. Thank you so much.
Yes, and Dr. Veena, nice to have you here. And I'm sure you've won a beautiful subtitle, and we can read there something. So, can you tell us what have you won
This is
today?
timeless beauty. I'm so humble and happy to receive this. I'm really honored and thankful to Miss and Mrs. Royal Global Queen. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you. And entire Bangalore is also having a look at this and is absolutely proud of you. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am.
दुनिया भर के 10 देशों में से महिलाओं ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था। महिला सशक्तिकरण और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय एकीकरण के साथ भाईचारे के सामाजिक उद्देश्यों का जश्न मनाया गया। यह वैश्विक मंच पर कॉस्मेटिक डेंटल सर्जन डॉक्टर नीलम पराडिया और द टोपाज इवेंट द्वारा आयोजित स्टार स्टडेड कार्यक्रम था।
Bright means something old, something new, something borrowed, and something blue. Old represents continuity, new for optimism, borrowed for happiness, blue for purity. Blue represents calmness, responsibility, purity, so is our Indian brides are. Sky and oceans are blue and infinite. Here our Indian brides want to tell her, and love and affection are infinite for her family. In Hinduism, blue symbolizes divinity and dharma. So here our Indian bride wants to tell that she is the divine. Announcing the winner for the platinum category, and the winner is, let's put your hands together for contestant number 17, Dr. Veena, in all the way from Bangalore. Congratulating the ever stunning Dr. Veena. This is a moment to celebrate. Can we all put a huge Round of applause for Dr. Veena. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. One of you have not just won a title. Once again, congratulations, Dr. Veena. And with this, each one of them have not just won a title, but they have earned the admiration and the welcoming Dr. Veena M. Bengaluru from the Platinum category.
Namaste everyone. All the power lies within you. You can do everything and anything. This is Dr. Veena from Bangalore, a Chief Medical Officer. I'm a humble person, but I believe being kind is more important than being correct. I'm a fitness freak. I enjoy running marathon. I achieved marathon in TCS Bangalore, 10K Challenge Bangalore, Stadium Grand, Ooty Ultra Marathon, and my dream is to run Tata Mumbai Marathon. Today, I want to use this platform to tell all those ladies who are above 50. Come on, ladies, you all can achieve your dreams. It's not too late. Here I am in front of you all using this platform and living my dreams. Thank you. One and everyone. रघुकुल भूषण राजीव भोजन हरि नारायण आनंद शयन सचिदानंद शिव सत्यनारायण आनंद रमण Thank you so much of honor.
Actually, you know what? Sometimes God wants to come again and meet you. So the prayers have happened again, and thank you.
So humble. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Dr. Veena.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So I would like to ask you is that what advice you give for the youth of India?
First of all, thank you for an insightful question. I like to advise youth of India, be like water, fit into any vessel, and mix with everyone. Dream big, chase it, have a sense of calmness till you achieve your dreams. And hard work should be your mantra for success. Be financially independent and don't ever forget the roots of our India, that is culture and tradition. Always have a willing attitude because willing attitude is a winning attitude. So what you sow is what you're going to harvest. So always do good things to get back good deeds. Thank you, Ananda.
Very rightly said. Very nice message.
Thank you so much.
मिस एंड मिसेस रॉयल ग्लोबल क्वीन सीजन 4 का आयोजन बेहद सफल रहा और इसके साथ हम अभी के लिए अलविदा लेते हैं। सीएम न्यूज इंडिया, मुंबई।